Alright, then one last animation, text animation. So it's the fifth one and last one. It's very easy and kind of colorful. So let's select this pen tool and fill to none, and select this nice red color, dark red color, and create this round circle. Okay, then increase this just like this. Alright, again select this pen tool. This time select some this kind of color, yellow, and same way kind of circle. So we have now two circles. Even you can draw another circle with a different color, like a blue color you can have. Decrease this size. Alright, now let's add text. P, make it black or blue, dark blue. Decrease the size. Select this font Helvetica. Decrease the font size. Okay, then select this and search for the path. Select this path and Control C. Copy the path. Select this happy text. Press G on the keyboard and click over here. Then Control V. Paste this path. Okay, so once the path is pasted, just adjust it just like this. Okay, then go to text, then path option, and select this path to mask 1. Alright, then you can adjust the path just like this. Okay, then select this text, give space, Control All, Control C, then keep paste it for multiple. Okay, then add keyframe to first margin, move to the end of the animation, and then just move little bit. Alright, okay. So if you play, there will be a moving text. And similarly, you can add a few multiple text and you can animate it. So you can add multiple text and you can animate it. So this kind of animation you will get.